The Bible mentions God's wrath over 200 times. God is angry. Romans 1:18 says that God is pouring out his wrath on evil and injustice. And I believe that God is angry. I believe that God is angry at sadness and hopelessness and death. God is angry at suicide and bullying. God is angry at marginalization and oppression. God is angry at greed and selfishness. God is angry at human trafficking and domestic violence and divorce and child abuse. Yes, God is angry. And if we are going to be people after God's own heart, family, we are going to be angry too. And that anger is going to drive us to commit the most radical acts of love, healing, hope, and redemption. Because God's anger is not about punishment. It's about restoration.